car owner's privilege is to take an auto insurance after they purchase a vehicle. However, it is really necessary that they should fully aware of what the full coverage and auto insurance information is package. Generally, full coverage usually refers to the vehicle having all required for the liability limits, comprehensive and collision. It is also based on the minimum loan requirements in a car insurance. To be more specific, it is actually based on the different state that requires different thing for liability as coverage by the law to require for the full coverage auto insurance. However, there is a difference between a minimum and full coverage with auto insurance. A minimum coverage is the minimum amount that usually an insurance required by law on specific states. Full coverage is already the full package granted by the insurer, ensuring they offer to cover everything expenses in case of accident or car collision. Usually in full coverage auto insurance covers the liability part as policy covers injury to another person or damage to their vehicle. This policy can increase the limit to a higher level that is getting in a maximum coverage. Another thing, full coverage auto insurance can be expensive, but it will also cause a financial loss if you don't have it. Like, comprehensive coverage that will cover for the damage of your vehicle from an unexpected event other than collision. Collision coverage that will cover damage in the event of an accident, regardless of whose fault. If you did not purchase these policy that covered everything, then you would be responsible for paying from your own pocket all the repairs made to the vehicles. It could affect your budget for daily financial expense.
Full coverage of auto insurance can mean to different people. It could be available for liability, personal injury protection, property damage, uninsured motorist, and also that collision and comprehensive coverage. It has also some policy limitations and exclusions. For an instance, you'd buy a car with loan, and it is in full coverage. They have the basic necessary coverage within your state plus comprehensive coverage that will protect your car from any damage when it is not in motion. So it is really necessary that when buying for a full coverage auto insurance, be sure they fully covered to any damage or injuries that you may charge for in case of an accident. You can also claim your full coverage auto insurance in case you needed them. You can surf through the net by visiting your insurance carrier's website, check the links for the quote. Call over the phone, contact your current car insurance carrier directly, and try to check for some declaration page for your policy to find phone numbers for policy services. Contact a local insurance agent, the common way to visit your nearest local insurance agent for some clarification or checking for your full coverage auto insurance info.